Alright, let's time this from the start to finish. Okay, let's go ahead. Typically the Velcro hook and loop is really quick, fast, easy, works well. It's a lot faster than trying to wrap it with the fiberglass insulating tape that some insulators use. Additionally, it's more efficient than the fiberglass tape as well. And we're just about done with attaching the Velcro. And okay, it's about 45 seconds, and we're going to come back in just a moment and put on some outdoor grade cable ties to draw down the ends at either end of it, and any place like at the fitting, we're going to use some silicone caulk to prevent the entry of water. Just over 1 minute.